Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone 16 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. At first, open the settings, then select General, scroll down and then open date and time. At first switch off automatic date and time, and now you can easily manage it manually by yourself. So just pick the date and time zone if you also want to change it, and hour over here manually by yourself. So once it's set, you can go back and smoothly use your device in this brand new date and time, and also time zone if you decided to change it as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.